Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So, here is the task. What does this sign mean? Number 1. Stop, then proceed immediately when clear. Number 2. You must wait until a police officer waves you through. Number 3. After stopping, you must remain stopped until signaled to proceed. Number 4. Wait at the intersection for 5 full seconds before moving. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. This sign is usually placed in areas with controlled access points like railroad crossings, drawbridges, or industrial gates. It means that even after coming to a full stop, you must stay stopped until an official signal, light, or gate tells you it's safe to move forward. So the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.